Ladies and gentlemen, today you can find me within 0.7 miles to Hornchurch District Line Station. We're within convenient distance to the favourable Scots Infant and Primary School, and we're also close to all of the favourable amenities that Hornchurch and Elm Park has on offer. But it doesn't just stop there. Behind me, I've got something truly incredible to show you. When style meets class, look no further than Lancaster Drive. Ladies and gentlemen, I can't wait to show you around. Let's take a look. Today's tour starts downstairs WC, storage cupboard, lounge. Full media wall, fireplace, ambient lighting to really set the mood, coupled with the bespoke cornice really sets this room. Now, the showpiece, the heart of the home. AEG appliances throughout. Truly impressive entertainment space and abundance of not only natural light with the skylights and the windows, but with the spotlights and the LED lighting. We've even got a fireplace to match. Let's take a look upstairs. First floor landing, 4 great sized bedrooms, one of which has an ensuite. Take a look at the main bathroom, shower room, WC. Now let's look upstairs, top floor. Master bedroom, beautiful natural light encroaching the rooms from both the front and the back with your stunning Juliet balcony. Take a look at the bespoke cabinetry, which is being made for wardrobes in the eaves. And the final piece on the top floor, the ensuite. You can now find me in the west-facing, low-maintenance rear garden, starting with the perfect patio area and, of course, the favourable artificial lawn. Finishing today's tour in your wonderful external entertainment space. We've got a bar area with sink. We've also got shower facilities. So if you've got guests that are coming to stay, then look no further than staying in this room. This home is truly incredible, and I can't wait to show you around. My name's Billy Gill, we are Balgors, this is Lancaster Drive, and I'll see you here very soon.